Unlocking the secrets of blemish-free beauty. Hello and welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of descriptive phrases, specifically, blemish-free beauty. This phrase paints a vivid picture with just a few words, and understanding its nuances can greatly enrich your English vocabulary. Let's explore together what makes this phrase so powerful and evocative. Blemish-free beauty is a compound phrase that combines two key concepts, blemish-free and beauty. To fully grasp its meaning, we need to dissect these components. Blemish-free refers to the absence of flaws, marks, or imperfections. In the context of beauty, it suggests an ideal state of perfection, where nothing detracts from the visual or aesthetic appeal. Beauty, on the other hand, is a broad term that encompasses the qualities that give pleasure to the senses or uplift the mind or spirit. It's often subjective but universally understood to refer to what is aesthetically pleasing or attractive. Together, blemish-free beauty conjures an image of flawless attractiveness or perfection that is free from any imperfections. It's a standard often aspired to but rarely attained, making it a powerful and aspirational concept. The phrase, blemish-free beauty, carries significant cultural and social implications. It reflects societal standards and ideals regarding appearance and attractiveness. These standards can vary widely across different cultures and historical periods, but the pursuit of an unblemished appearance remains a common theme. This phrase also prompts us to think about the pressures and challenges associated with achieving or maintaining this ideal of perfection. It opens up discussions about self-esteem, body image, and the impact of media portrayal of beauty. Blemish-free beauty is not just a descriptive phrase, it's also a powerful expression used in various contexts. Advertising and marketing. This phrase is often used to promote skincare products, cosmetics, and beauty treatments, promising the attainment of flawless beauty. Literature and media. Writers and creators use it to describe characters or settings in a way that evokes a sense of perfection or idealized beauty. Conversations about beauty standards. It's a useful phrase in discussions about beauty, aesthetics, and the societal pressures to conform to certain standards. Understanding the phrase, blemish-free beauty, enriches your English vocabulary and offers insights into cultural and societal views on beauty. It's a reminder of the power of language to describe ideals and aspirations, even as it invites us to question and reflect on those very ideals. We hope this exploration has been enlightening and that you'll carry these insights into your journey with the English language. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to our next linguistic adventure together.